Are you ready to wake up to truly luminous and revitalized skin? Introducing the Atomy Absolute 24 Karat Gold Night Mask, your secret to ageless beauty every single night. This isn't just another night cream. Crafted with a unique high molecular network, it delivers 24 karat gold ingredients, moisture, and vital nutrients deep into your skin, locking them in as you sleep. Imagine improved skin barrier function, refined texture, and a more even skin tone. And that luxurious saffron scent, it's designed to enhance your sleep quality so you wake up not just looking, but feeling refreshed. Now, let's talk about value. You might be familiar with high-end gold-infused skincare from brands like Lancôme and Chanel. But did you know that many of these prestigious products, including Atomy's, are developed by the same world-renowned beauty manufacturer, Colmark? This means you're getting cutting-edge science and premium quality. The Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask is available in the U.S. for $41 for 50 milliliters. Let's compare that to some other Colmark manufactured luxury creams on the market. A 2 fluid ounce, approximately 59 milliliters. Lancôme Absolute Longevity Gold Soft Cream from the same manufacturer is priced at $285. Furthermore, the Chanel Sublimage La Crème Gold Cream ranges from $485 for 50 milliliters, and the Chanel Sublimage L'Extrait de Crème Gold Cream sells at $825. The difference is clear. With the Atomy Absolute 24 Karat Gold Night Mask, you're investing in advanced skincare technology and premium ingredients, developed by the same expert hands as other luxury brands, but at a much lower price, making radiant skin more accessible to everyone. Experience the power of 24 karat gold and innovative science. Replenish, revitalize, and rejuvenate your skin overnight. Transform your nightly routine with Atomy Absolute 24K Gold Night Mask. If you are not already an Atomy member, you can sign up for free via your sponsor. As an Atomy member, you can enjoy the Absolute 24K Night Mask and other Absolute high-quality products at absolute low prices at atomy.com US. Make sure to order your products directly from atomy.com to ensure you are getting legitimate products. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Atomy.com is bringing affordable beauty and health products to the world.